Good afternoon everyone, Behzad is here from Code Simplifier Coding School. Welcome back to another video of our SQL series. In our last video, we calculated the age of a student using their name or their student ID. And in today's video, we will learn about max function and we want to get the highest grade from our student in subject table. Let's have a look at the question to see what the question asks us to do. We need the highest result of all subjects. So write the script as follows. We want to write down select max, open and close parentheses. You will get an error, that is one, we will fix it in a second. And we want to return the result of the max function and store it as highest result. From which table we want to get the max, we want to run the max function. We want to run it from student in subject table, semicolon. What goes inside the parentheses is what we want to get the highest results. We just write down a student result and save our work. So that's it. It's pretty simple, pretty straightforward. Let's run the code to see what we'll get. As you see, the 100 is the highest results from our student in subject table. That's it for our coding. Now take a step back to learn more about the max function. What the max function does. Basically, the max function returns the largest value of selected column. And if we want to apply that example into our code, it will be finds the highest grade from our student result column. And if I want to show you a visual, this is how it works. So imagine this is our student in subject table. So we have our student name column, subject name, grades and result. What the max function does, it goes through the result column and finds the highest value. In our case, 100 is highest between these records. So that's it for this video. I hope you enjoyed it. As per usual, if you do have any question or any section of this video wasn't clear to you, please write in the comment section below and I'll respond to it as quick as I can. Also, if you are new to this channel and this video was helpful to you, please make sure you like the video and subscribe to our channel, as that is the way to support our work. And that gives us confidence to create more content similar to what you see here for the future. Thanks for your time and I will see you all next week.